All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video for AMD. The stock has been crashing. It's now the buying opportunity. Well, I would tell you that the market did give us a little hint that they may be buying. We're going to show you where that spot is, and maybe we might see price go up. Let's talk about it. Welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you support, because I'm simply here to give you all information that is not readily available in a simplistic way. I'm not here to make the game complicated, because a lot of people are already doing just that. So for us to stand outside amongst our competition, we try to do things different. We try to predict, forecast where prices are going to go, just strictly looking at what has already occurred from the charts. All right, so check this out. This prediction for AMD was already produced on the 13th of December 2024. We were looking for AMD to go lower, and it did that. You guys can see that the market in AMD did come and tag our ultimate TP price, right there on February 27, 2025. 21.5% down right there. So now let's get rid of that. So let me zoom out real quick so you guys can see what type of price action AMD has been on. Look at that. Now, if anyone tells you that that's bullish, they apparently don't know the meaning of what bullish means. This stock is in a downtrend. Clearly, it's evident that you all can see that this stock is not trending higher. What will make a stock stop trending down to where it's going to reverse and begin to go up? What would do that? The only thing that can do that is people buying the stock. That's it. Which is why we create pockets of buying to resemble locations that we may see a reverse from a price direction. Okay, so I think you guys can see the pocket that the buyers currently are revealing to us that they're trying to do just that. They're trying to reverse the price from going down to trying to lift it back up. That pocket was created back in November of 2023. It's almost 2 years. That price in AMD has been trading around $100. To get that, 2 years. A long time. To where if you would have bought AMD in November 2023, right? And many people like to buy a stock and hold it for 5 years. I don't understand where people get 5 years from. Like, what is the logical reason that people grab 5 years out of the sky? Why not 3 years? Why not 2? Why not a couple of months? Why do you want people? Who created this whole mantra to be a long-term trader, to hold it for 5 years? Because look at this. In less than 5 years, AMD went from $100 all the way up to $220. $213 in a couple of months. March 6, 2024. That is 139, almost 140% profit in just a couple of months. And people are falling under an idea that, okay, cool, if the market is up 140% in a couple of months, then apparently if I hold AMD for the next 5 years, it's going to be worth more than that. That is the hope that causes people to squander their profits, because nobody can look into the future with 100% certainty and say in 5 years this stock is going to be worth a lot more than 139%. Because now that 139% has diminished to just 11.5, almost 13%. Okay, so now let's look at AMD a little bit closer. We're going to get rid of this pocket of buying there for AMD, and we're going to update this pocket of selling. We're going to move it a little bit higher. Now let's look at AMD on the long term, which is the weekly for me. Okay, so look at this. Currently, yeah, the market looked like it wants to bounce off that buy pocket and try to lift higher. Question: Did we hit the bottom? We could see AMD continue to lift higher, but we haven't broken the long-term trend of price going down. So yeah, we could see price run back up and test this downtrend line, test these two sell pockets. That's very feasible for price to do. That's not out of the realm of possibility. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, this is also telling me that buyers are trying to step in AMD. That 2 weekly price bar, we should have seen price in AMD go a lot lower than what it did, and it actually stopped going lower on this 2 weekly price bar. Here it is on the 3. AMD on the 5. And the monthly chart right now. Okay, so like, this is not the time to be complacent and say, yeah, this is the bottom. No, it might be a bottom for a short period of time, but generally the price is still trending bearish. Okay, that's on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 330. So I would think that if we're going to see price in AMD continue to lift, we will have to see these buyers hold this area right there, that pocket. That will give us more confirmation that this stock is still trending bullish. Okay. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to let this stock continue to cook, let the market give us a little bit more information as to whether or not the market is becoming more bullish. That became potentially see higher prices. That is where I'm leaning to look for price in AMD to go higher, but I need a little bit more confirmation to say, yeah, we can see price run back up to 115 to 120 for AMD. Let me add this one to the chart now. There's a pocket of selling, and we'll just let the market cook. Like I said, that's why I'm thinking price is trying to go, but I'm not convinced of a high probability that the market is going to do just that. Not yet. The reason why I say that is because these 2 days right here, how price closed is telling me that the market is getting weak, or at least sellers were trying to hit the stock and then trying to push price back down, which is why I want to see the market test that pocket of buying, which is right around here. Okay, so I'm done. I'll give you your time back. Let me know what you think. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.